Tie Toys, here we are again. Got the engine unbolted, still full of oil. I take the oil filter off. I get the engine taken out of here and get everything cleaned up. I don't know if you can see it or not. There's tiny little chunks of metal in there, which isn't good. I'm about to investigate. They look like flakes of metal. Right there in the corner is a tiny one. The camera's picking it up. Let's get this dumped out, see if we can find any more in there. Yeah. Oop, a little bit in that corner. Well, we'll get it cleaned up better and see exactly why